what's going on YouTube and Twitter? So today we're gonna go to this restaurant called Italiano's, and the car previously had issues turning into that street that's near the restaurant, and it's a tricky intersection. But I do have a new update, 11.3.6, and hopefully they have figured it out. I did send a lot of clips to Tesla, so hopefully it's new. And this road is a mess. They keep changing the lanes left and right, but the car's performing pretty well. I haven't been on this road in a couple days, and definitely they moved everything over here. It used to be over there. FSD's handling it pretty well. So we're coming up on that right turn in about 3 minutes, 1 mile. Because I don't remember if it was, there's two versions of it. 10.69 I think did it a little better, but it had trouble going under the overpass, which we're gonna try out today. All right, moving over to the right lane. I do have the profile set to average. All the early collision, everything set, turned on. And I drove, well, FSD beta 11.3.6 drove 907 miles out of, I think it was 1,100 that I did this month. And that's because I was out of town for a whole week, so it would have been more. And I hate this intersection because there's cameras. Yeah, they still got the cameras. So if you don't make a complete stop and you turn right, they'll nail you for that. All right, so here is the right turn. Okay, it's showing it there. Nice, nice. Wow, it did amazing. It did amazing. And we're turning to where the restaurant is at. All right, 50 feet. We're gonna stop right here. Let me set the navigation to the post office. Okay, that's the route that I want to take. So let's take this route. Vehicle on the right. All right, FSD sees it, taking a left. So this is the intersection where it has trouble. It's kind of weird because you got cars coming from the left and then cars coming from the freeway. There's two potential spots here. You can either turn left, right, or go straight. There's no traffic. Well, I am doing this right after the gym. I mean, it's doing it. I didn't see no traffic. And then it used to slow down a lot right here. Nice. Sorry if that was too loud, guys. I got excited there. It's doing it pretty well. All right, so I hadn't done that since I got 11.3.6, so wow, nice. So here's another tricky intersection. We're about to take a left, and we got incoming traffic straight from that over there, and then we can have potential traffic from the left. So let's see how FSD stopping for the stop sign. Sees that vehicle. It's not highlighted blue yet. There we go. Okay, so go. Thank you. FSD did that. It's like if they saw them wave. That is crazy. Wow, FSD saw them wave. I waved at them, but FSD took the lead after they saw them wave. All right, I had my foot on the accelerator, on top of the accelerator, just in case I needed to press it or move to the brakes.